Assalamualaikum guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the Autocad command of circle, how to draw a circle in Autocad. So for this we usually have an icon present over here. As you can see, it says circle, and when you click the drop down button, it will show us 6 methods to create that, like 6 different ways to create a circle. We will see first 2 in this video, and the next in the upcoming videos. So first see the first type of the first method to create a circle, which is the center and radius method. In this method we will first specify the center of a circle, and then we will tell AutoCAD our radius. So in order to do this, let's first see, you can simply select the center by clicking on your mouse on anywhere on the screen, or you can also give proper coordinates by giving proper coordinates. For example, I'm gonna write 3, 0 and press enter. As you can see that it has moved 3 units to the right from our origin, and then it is asking the radius of our circle. So I'm gonna give it, for example, 10 and press enter, and that is our circle of radius 10 millimeter or inches, whatever units you have mentioned. Another way of drawing the same circle is to use the center diameter method. We will specify our center, and then it will ask our diameter and not the radius. For example, for this circle, the one that we drew earlier, its radius was 10, so therefore its diameter would have to be 20. So for example, if I write here 20, so it is going to make an identical circle as before. Here, these both circles are the same. And side to side I can also tell you the move command. For example, if you press M and enter, so it will ask us to specify the point from which we want to move our object. So for example, if I selected this point, and here you can see that it is moving it from this point. So if I place it exactly on top of this, it will match it. Yes, as you can see that it is the same. However, it is a little bit outside because I did not click it properly. So that is also the move command that I have covered. And another one is you can also make a rectangle. Similarly, in AutoCAD, for example, I press the rectangular command, and it asks me to first specify the first corner point. And for example, I selected the origin over here, and then it is asking me to specify the other corner. Another way to draw this, to specify the other corner point, is to give the dimensions. For example, I want to give the length, the longer side of the rectangle as 10, so I press 10, and then I press tab, so and then 20. So as you can see that it gave 10 this side, the first side from our point, and then 20 in the other side. So for example, 20 became our longest side. So that is another way to draw a rectangle. And that is it for this video. We will see the next commands in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it.